up, good people? Man, there's an update on the Gen Coupe. Yeah, I know, you're like, dang, hold on, he's sitting in a round. Yeah. But, so, the update on the Gen Coupe, yeah, you already know, your boy wrapped the Gen Coupe. ArtOfSpeedd. So what else is coming to the Gen Coupe? Don't know just yet. But I'm just going to talk about my experience in the Gen Coupe, man. The Gen Coupe was my dream, affordable dream car. You know, like having the Gen Coupe is so much fun. Like, man, I ain't gonna say a lie. That 310 horses, you know, I ain't gonna say a lie. Yo, it's so much fun driving that car. That's my baby, you know. Owning it for what, going on 5 or 6 years now, man. So oil change, tire rotation, brakes, gas, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, so how much do brakes cost on a Gen Coupe? Me personally, I paid about $100 to $200 for a brake job on the Gen Coupe. Gas, with the gas prices now, I'm averaging like $30 to fill up the Gen Coupe. Some days $35, but that's if I'm putting my foot in the Gen Coupe. But oil changes, like, what's the prices of an oil change for the Gen Coupe? Man, so oil changes price range from the Gen Coupe, I'm looking at like $60 to $70. Yeah. Tires, oh man, that is a whole nother story. You know, your boy got them sports tires on it, so I'm averaging for tires, and that's just tires alone, about $1,200. Ain't gonna say in front, and then, you know, the labor itself, yeah, that's what I'm averaging with tires. Replacing tires, I think I replaced the tires on the Gen Coupe like twice, besides I had the blowout, and it was time to replace the tires. So maybe 2 or 3 times I replaced the Gen Coupe, owning it for about 5 or 6 years. Oil change every 5,000 miles. I'm keeping it up with the oil change. Every routine oil change, your boy is there with the Gen Coupe. Like, yo, I need an oil change. Gas, yeah. It depends on you and how you drive your car. You know, me personally, some days I'm chilling, I'm relaxing in the Gen Coupe. People pulling up like, yo, you trying to race? I'm like, nah. So I ain't gonna say a lie. I know I'm always talking about I'm racing, but some days I'm like, I want to just relax in the Gen Coupe. So if I'm relaxing in the Gen Coupe, I'm literally at the gas station probably like once a week. But if I'm like booking, yeah, we at the gas station almost probably like 4 times out the week. You like, God darn it, shoot. But yeah, the Gen Coupe is a fun car that I own. I'm not gonna say a lie. I got a 2012 Genesis Coupe, track model, like fully loaded with everything, leather, the track suspension. Most people fail to realize what kind of car I have. Like, I have a track model 3.8 Genesis Coupe. So owning that is a blast. Still own it up to this day. I don't think the Gen Coupe is going anywhere no time soon. So yeah, I love the Gen Coupe so much, man. That's my baby. I ain't gonna say in front. What else is probably coming towards the Gen Coupe? Man, alright, so the first wrap was a satin red chrome. I love that wrap. The second one that I have now is a silver sunset. I love that one too. Some people like, yo, you got a purple car? Some people say, yo, you got a pink car? Some people like, yo, is your car just silver? So, you know what I'm saying? Depends on the lighting, and you see it in person, you be like, yo, hold on, that's purple, that's pink, that's silver, what? Hold on, what color is it? Rapping the Genesis, I'm gonna be like, I think I paid $2,500 for the Gen, the second wrap. The other one, we can't even talk about it, but yeah. Huge shout out to your boy, TGD Raps, for hooking your boy up with them raps. Most people see it because it's the badge. They automatic thinking that, oh shoot, hold on, he have a 2.0 turbo, and no, I have a 3.8 track model. So the other day somebody pulled up in his Subaru BRZ. He hanging out with his girl, and he like, yo, you trying to race? And I'm like, let's go. I don't know what you thinking you got, but you don't know what kind of engine I got under that hood. So yeah, I had to take him to the car favorite restaurant, Gat Back Steakhouse, where he ordered a smoking steak, because that's what he got. So, but if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.